Hey everyone, it's Sam here. I tested 5 online jobs for 30 days to see which ones actually pay. Let's dive in, let's go. First up, online surveys. They promise easy money but reality check, it's a time sink. I spent hours on screening questions only to be disqualified. Completed surveys paid pennies, 25 cents for 20 minutes. After a week, I earned $11.35 for over 20 hours of work. Most sites have high payout thresholds making it hard to cash out. Verdict: avoid surveys. They're not worth your time. They are not a legitimate way to make any meaningful income online. Next, freelance writing. I joined a marketplace, created a portfolio, and started bidding. Competition was fierce, with low-paying gigs everywhere. After 3 days, I landed a client for 5 blog posts at $100. In a week, I earned $230 for 25 hours of work. It's a grind, but a legitimate job if you're willing to hustle. Not a quick path to full-time income, but it's real work. Then, I tried being a virtual assistant. I managed emails and schedules for a client. Worked 10 hours a week at $15 per hour, earning $150. Reliable pay, but not scalable. It's a solid job if you're organized. For job 4, I ventured into AI art. Created digital doodles to sell on Etsy. Marketing was tough. My shop was a ghost town until a blog shared my design. Made $45 from 15 sales in a week. Potential is there, but it's unpredictable and relies on going viral. Not a reliable income stream, but fun if you enjoy creating. It's not a reliable income stream. Finally, live chat jobs. I was skeptical, but it was a game changer. Got paid to reply to messages for companies using pre-written scripts. Worked whenever I wanted, earning $450 in 15 hours. That's $30 per hour, with complete flexibility. No special skills needed, just a laptop. It was the clear winner of this challenge. Easy to start, well-paying, and flexible. It was the clear winner of this entire 30-day challenge, and it wasn't even close. So, after 30 days, here's the verdict. Avoid surveys. Freelance writing is solid but tough. VA work is reliable but time-heavy, and AI art is unpredictable. Live chat jobs are the easiest and most rewarding. If you want to start, I've linked the official site below. This challenge was eye-opening, and I hope it helps you too. Thanks for watching. Start your live chat job today. Link in description.